everybody, my name is Jan. I'll be showing you this video of we're gonna making squeezy balloons. So since it's really hard to put it in here, I'm just gonna cut off a little bit. Almost done. Okay, almost done. Okay.
Where's the water bottle for Kayla?
So, let's open it up. And you can
Where's the water bottle
kind of
for Kayla?
see.
Where's the water bottle for Kayla?
Okay, so since it's a kind of bit off, so I'm just gonna cut it a little bit more. It's kind of hard because this is like a sticky kind of thing, so it's really hard to get it. And I'm gonna go off the sides like this because that's where you put in the stuff, and you always want it to be like a big one. So really quickly. Okay. So now I have a big block of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some flour and just gonna put it in. Some got in. If you were like here right now, I would have you feel it because it feels really good. I'm just gonna add more to it. It's okay if it gets a little bit messy because you could always wash it off. Like if you get like the flour on top of it, you know that when you're done and you tie it in and everything, you could always like wash it. As you could see, it's kind of squishy. And I did a red one, and I just figured out right now that I needed to cut it out because my dad holded it and then he couldn't do it and it wouldn't go in. So that's why you have to undo. If you have these materials, you could press stop on this video that I'm doing right now and go way back so you could catch on. And you could do this with me. And you could use flour, sugar, or anything you want. So I'm starting to get bigger, and you squeeze it when you're like mad. So like when you're really angry. And I'm gonna just make two, because one, I'm gonna do a little bit different. Because I'm going to cut it a little bit higher because I just wanted to try it out. Or you could fast forward if you want to. Okay, we're almost done. And make sure you don't go all the way to the top or then it's going to spill and you can't get the rest in, like when you tie it. And you have to tie it because then it'll explode. And you could find balloons at the 99-cent store, Target, or Ross, or any place except like the clothes places, like Justice and everything. Okay, I got it about to the top. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go wash my hands very quickly, so don't like stick anything. Because really quickly, I'm gonna do that. Okay, now coming back to me. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna take my spoon and I'm gonna take a pinch out. like a pinch. And now I'm going to take a half a pinch out. Let's open it. There. So now a pinch out. See? A half of a pinch. And now I'm ready to go. Now I have to tie it. I will do this. I will show you guys in another video what they look like because right now I can't tie it. But this is how it's going to look like when it's done. It'll be like this. I'm just holding it like this and then you could squeeze it and everything. Thank you for watching this video. I will do another video of showing you this and then I'll do like my regular videos. Like I'll show you in another video and then do my regular videos. And so this is all for today. And I'm going to do another video of Barbie sets. And I hope to see you next time. So bye. Okay. So now could you tie this?
Okay.